Looking to launch your own meme coin in just a couple minutes? I'm going to show you how to do this on Pump.Fun, the easiest platform for creating tokens on Solana. Let's dive in. First, head to Pump.Fun. You'll need a Solana wallet like Phantom with Sol, about 0.02 Sol, or roughly $3 for the fee. Connect your wallet by clicking Connect Wallet in the top right. Done? Great. Next, click Start a New Coin on the homepage. This opens a form, pick a fun name like Doge King, and ticker like DGK. Write a short description, something catchy like the king of all dog coins. Then upload a meme image, make it bold and funny. Double check your details, then hit Create Coin. Approve the transaction in your wallet. It'll cost around 0.02 Sol. In seconds, your coin is live and tradable on Pump.Fun's bonding curve. No coding, no hassle. Now, buy some of your own tokens early to kick things off. Use a small amount of Sol, share the Pump.Fun link on X, Telegram, wherever, and hype it up with memes and get people trading. If it hits a $69,000 market cap, it graduates to Radium with $12,000 in liquidity burned. Quick tips: build a community fast, post everywhere, watch out for snipers buying early, so maybe grab a chunk yourself at launch. It's speculative, so only use what you can lose. That's it, guys. You've got a meme coin on Pump.Fun. Go wild, have fun, and who knows, maybe you'll make the next viral token. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next crypto video.